Hey guys, it's Takio here. Thanks for tuning in again into the tutorial on how to make a text-based RPG with Java. So leaving off of last time, we had made a program that takes input from the user, gives it back to them, and then quits. Not much of an RPG yet. So we're going to fix that. Right now, we're only getting input from the user once. And, that's okay, but that's not super useful. We want to make this game, people can put in as many inputs until they want to exit it, right? So how do we do that? All right, first thing we're going to do is we're going to take string input, and instead of, solely relying on the user to give us input, we're going to first set it to just empty quotes. Okay? And then we're going to do this thing. I'm just going to write this first and then explain it. Okay, so what did I do here? First, I set input equals to just close, nothing, no text, just a quote, an empty quote pretty much. And then I'm doing while input does not equal exit. Now, input is a string, and you see this dot here? Whenever you do a variable name dot, that means that you're doing something that the variable type supports. So input is a string, right? It's a string type from last time. If we're doing dot equals, that means that the string type supports this dot equals thing. It's just like how input scanner supports dot next line. You see that? So we're doing dot equals, that's something that the string type supports. Now input is variable name, but it's also of type string. So you see this exclamation mark here. If we remove that, then the logic would be while input equals exit. Do this, do what's ever indented in this while loop while input equals exit. So as long as the user writes exit, we're going to keep asking them for more. Now that's wrong. When the user writes exit, we want to not ask them for more. So we're going to put this exclamation mark here. And that means while the user writes anything other than exit, right? As long as the user writes anything other than exit, we're going to keep asking them for more commands. The moment that the user writes exit, we're going to stop asking them for commands, and the game's going to finish. Right? But how would the user know this? So we're going to tell them. We're going to say, please enter a command, and then we're going to put in parentheses, type exit to quit. Okay? So let's try running this. Type exit to quit. So we're going to say, hey. It gives us, hey, Bob, how are you? And it keeps giving us back what we are giving it. But let's say we wrote exit. It writes exit, but then if we write something new, we can't write anything else because the game is over, right? After we wrote exit, this thing, system.printinput, still runs because it's still within this indented thing. But it's not going to do it again, okay? You see that? It checks input equals input scanner, it prints it, and then it checks what input was equal to. And since input was equal to exit, it's not going to run this again. So let's say we wanted to sort of like make exit, instead of exit, some random thing here. Let's say we wanted to make it predefined. Or let's say string exit code equals exit. Okay, so string, again, variable name, variable type. Exit code is variable name, and this is what it's equal to. It's equal to exit. So let's substitute exit code for wherever we see this, and it only comes up once, so we're gonna put it right there. Okay, so if we run this the same time, hey Bob, how are you? If we write exit, still works. Alright, so this was a quick, just sort of like input tutorial to show you how to get people to input as many things as they want until they want to quit the game. There'll be more in the future. Thanks for watching.